We're in the aquarium, La Oceanographique, and it is very, very cool over here. I didn't realize pelicans were so huge. Wow. Oh my gosh. Sounds like me in the morning. Is he gonna fight him again? He's looking at his head.
He's just circling him.
It's challenging. Is he gonna go around the back and hit him again? He is. Oh gosh. The aquarium gets brutal.
Wow.
Alright, Elena and I made it to the beach.
Beach babes.
Beach babes, even though we're not in the water. Maggie is somewhere down there, frolicking in the Spanish waves. But yeah, this is the beach in Valencia. It's pretty nice out. There we go. It made me laugh. Cheers.
I know it's a selfie.
You're fine.
I'm such a meat has to be in oil, but the chicken more center than the rabbit.
You're doing good. You're doing good. No, you both look great.
I can talk about you all the time. I'm like that. Thank you so much.
Drink up, Maggie. Chug, 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 chug.
Maggie's making paella.
Oh my god. Two spoons of that. Yeah? One and two. You use that? One. On top of that. Only one plate. No? Try to distribute this hot dog. So be careful, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Rice, baby. Rice, baby.
I'm sorry, I didn't want to just. It's not Jose, it's Jose.
Yeah, it's the alphabet of Jose, which is not cool, man. No cool.
Alright, our paella is done.
The different color one.
They've been drinking 400 glasses of wine.
Salud and Sanchez.
Okay. Get some beans, some rice.
Okay.
This is the best one.
This is better than
This is really good.
This is so good.
Delicious. Torres de Serrano. Maggie getting the action shots of Elena at the fountain. right, we're about to climb a bell tower, fam. How we feeling? Woohoo!
Let's see how my knees do.
ice cream.
No ice cream.
No ice cream allowed in the bell tower. It's set on a sign.
I think this bell tower, the ambiance would be better if we had some ice cream.
Yes, I would like to eat ice cream while climbing a bell tower, but
How about a refreshing treat for this?
maybe next bell tower. All right, Elena made it to the top of the bell tower. Maggie quit halfway through, but we're here. Whoa! Oh, whoa! Look at that view. Okay, we have panoramic views of Valencia down below. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here is the actual bell in the bell tower. Maggie, you made it! Yay!
No power, please don't.
I'm proud of you, Mags. And here's the bell tower. There's Maggie. It's noon. Wow. There's no one up here now but us, which is cool. Still proud of you, Maggie.
I'm not. I'm over it.
I'm proud of you, Elena, too.
Thanks.
It was a team effort.
I don't think it's enough to make it like
Oh my gosh. Wow, well, this is a fun spot.
we wandered in here randomly.
Look how pretty this is.